Hello everyone, it's Sajal areej. Hopefully you all are doing great. Today I'm going to share with you this simple rice cream remedy that you can easily make it at your home. Friends, you all know that rice has so many benefits for the skin. You can apply its water to your skin and you can get its benefits. So what you need to do is to make this cream or to make this remedy, firstly take a 3 tablespoon of rice and then soak it into the water. When you soak it, its size will be double, and then blend it into the blender with that water. So now you can see it that I had blended it, and after that strain it into the help of strainer to get its water or to get its starch. Basically that is what we call the rice starch that I am extracting it here. Then take that water, 2 tablespoons of that rice water, and add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel with it. Then mix it very well so that we have a very fine consistency of it. It will be same like the cream and you will feel it when you mix it completely. Now add 1 vitamin E capsule with it. And mix it again very well. Now our cream has ready. So how to apply it? Simply you can take a little quantity of it and you can apply it to your face. Friends, you can apply it at night and also at daytime. So it's totally depend on you. Thank you everyone.